So then guys, something massive just happened in the world of gaming. On April 30th, 2025, the courts ruled in favour of Epic in their battle against Apple. And just recently, Google lost to Epic as well. This basically means that for the first time ever, developers can send players directly from an iOS or an Android app to an external web shop. No more being locked into those huge platform fees. And this is where things get really interesting because it changes everything for developers and players. And that's where Xsolla web shop comes into play here. For years, if you made a mobile game and sold something inside of it, Apple and Google took 30% of the money. Now that is a huge slice of the pie. But now developers can link players to a web shop in their browser, cutting out that middle layer. And what I love here is that it's not just a loophole either. It is becoming the new standard. Studios are already jumping in on this, selling in game currency, passes, skins, and seeing real results. In my view, this is one of the biggest wins developers have had in years. More freedom, more revenue, and players still get a smooth experience out there. So moving on from this, let's talk about how developers actually take advantage of this. This is where Xsolla Webshop really shines. It makes building for your own direct-to-player store quick and easy. Here's why I think it's a game changer. So first of all, the fees. Instead of giving up, say, 30% to Google or to Apple, Xsolla's fee is just around about 5%. And that is a massive saving. Second, no coding is required here. You can set up a fully branded shop that looks like it belongs to your game without writing a single line of code. Third, live ops are built in. So that means that bundles, promotions, targeted offers, all designed to keep players engaged are there for you. Fourth is easy integration. It works seamlessly with your links from major app stores, so the user experience is smooth. And finally, global reliability. Xsolla has been doing this for years now. It's trusted by some of the biggest studios out there, but also accessible for indies too. Basically, they've taken what could be a complicated process and made it super simple for you devs out there. But here's what excites me the most here, the bigger picture. If developers are saving more money, that money can go straight back into games. That means more updates, better content, stronger communities, and just overall better games for players. And it could also mean better deals and more direct support for those players too, and maybe even exclusive rewards. To me, this really starts like a brand new era in mobile gaming. So then guys, I'm calling out to you who are mobile game developers or even publishers out there, or even you guys who are just maybe thinking about it but worried about those fees. Definitely check out the Xsolla web shop. I'll be leaving a link right at the bottom of this description in this video, so do take a look at it. And honestly, it could be one of the most profitable decisions that you make this year if you are a game developer. And just in case you wanted to know, yes, this video was sponsored by Xsolla, but you know me, all thoughts here are my own, what I've shared with you today. This script was made by myself for this video and the way how I've recorded it, because I really do believe in this, that this is definitely a good way for all you developers out there to actually jump onto this. So then guys, what do you think? Do you think this is a huge win for developers? And do you think Apple and Google might find a way to pull players around this somehow? Well, let me know in the comments below. And with that as well guys, it's time to wrap up this video too. So if you have enjoyed watching it, please do press the like button. As always, if you want to hear the latest technology news, reviews and comparisons, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell too. Until next time guys, I'll see you really soon. Take care. Bye bye.